Use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. I'll get it, sorry. Hey, how you doing, man?
Hey, good, man. I see you all the time.
I'm just doing videos.
Yeah, I did used to have teams in here. I couldn't power them.
Wow. Really?
Yeah. They take so much power.
Yeah. Did you build this?
Yes.
That's crazy. Who painted that?
I had a wrap.
Oh, wrap. Okay.
I wrapped it.
That is nice. I like it. Wow. So these are resilient sound.
The platinums.
Platinums. Okay.
I did have the teams with the 9K. They barely moved.
Yeah.
Next year I'm going with the new version of platinum.
Okay.
And I'm going to change all these JY batteries out to about 300
Okay.
of life on my.
Is it bad? What's behind here? Just the wires? Really?
Yeah. You can pull that seat out.
Okay.
And I'll show it to you.
Yeah. Awesome. Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah, I have two here and I got one sitting up here.
Yes, sir. Okay. Wow.
And then next year I'm hoping to get a second alternator. I'm gonna take my AC
Yes,
out.
sir. Have you done any kind of loading wall testing, or are you allowed us like this?
How I built it, it's a fourth order 2-to-1, 32.
Okay.
If you look here, this is a horn
Yeah.
enclosure fork. That's why this port's like this.
Oh, okay.
This is my port.
Okay. Got it. Oh, okay. Horn design. Yep. Got it. Got it. Thank you for showing me, man.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you for looking, man.
Wow. Nice. Wow, awesome. Thank you very much. I see how you mean by the horn design concept.